Hey guys, Ernest here. Today we're just doing an unboxing of a couple of Welly's diecast cars. One's a Ford Mustang model, the other one's a Mercedes, and we're also doing an unboxing of a Matchbox working rig. Okay, starting off with the working rig. Okay, that's the rig out of the packaging. Okay, the only articulation they have is the crane raises up and you can rotate the crane almost 360 degrees. Okay, next up is a Mercedes diecast model. It's one of those Welly brands. Let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, that's the car outside the box. It's got opening doors. And it's also a pullback. Okay, next up is a Ford Mustang GT. That's the car outside the packaging. And it's got the same two opening doors and is also a pullback. Thanks for watching, guys.